Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to this new video. Today we will study about data types in SQL. Before studying data type, we should recall data. What is data? Previous class we studied data. Data are collection of raw fact. For that one example, for the data, we have one example. See this table. In this table, admission number, name, gender, age, place. Okay, here what are the data? These all things are data. Then 100 is a data, Anish is a one data, M is another one data, 17 is another one data, Chennai is another one data, 101 is another one data. These all things are data. Okay, then see here what is the data type. Then in the admission number field, see in the admission number field, then all numbers are in number only, digit only, is it? Then next in the name field, what all data will be in the text, alphabets. Okay, anybody name is in the number, nobody name is in the number, all of us now name is in the alphabet. Okay, then next gender is they are mentioned in the characters means so alphabets. Then next age also represented in the number, easily we are writing the age in the numbers only. Then next place also where we are mentioned in the alphabets. Okay, see here, these data are different type. These different types only we are saying data type. Okay, clear data type. Then in this SQL, various types of data types is there. We will see this in this video. The first data type is char data type. The full form is character. Okay, what is the use of this char data type? Used to store the fixed value of string. Okay, the last year we studied string. What is string? Sequence of character enclosed within the double code. Here not a double code. In this SQL, it is enclosed with a single code only. It is enclosed with the single code. Okay, then that is a string. Okay, then next fixed value. Fixed value means what? Number of field, number of characters only we can enter into that particular field. If we are mentioned 5 means we can only allowed the 5 character. Okay, 5 or less characters only allowed. More than 5 cannot allowed. That is a fixed value of string. Did you understand char data type? Char data type store the fixed value of string. Okay, then one example is, then see here, Anu. We are writing in the single code. This is a character. Okay, whatever things we are writing in the single code, that is a char data type. Okay, did you understand? Next data type is varchar data type. Okay, then same the character data type. Varchar means variable character, that is variable with character string. In the char data type, that fixed number of data only we can mention, character only we can mention, but in the we can't give that fixed, any number of character we can set. That is a variable with character string. Okay, third data type is decimal. It is used to represent the fractional numbers. Fractional number example is 15.212, then 5.6, etc. We can write. It has two parts, precision and scale. This precision indicate how many digit we are using in this number, number. Then scale represent the decimal digit. After the decimal point, right side of the decimal point, number of digit that represented by a scale. Okay, one example we can write in the decimal number, we can write it, then 5.5, 2. This 5 will be represent the precision, then this 2 will be represent the scale. That means it can have 2 digit after the decimal point. It can have the 2 digit after the decimal point. 5 means what? Number of number of digit, total number of digit in the number. That is the decimal number. Next data type is numeric data type. It is same as the decimal data type. One difference is the precision data type up to one fixed number of digit only we can give, but in the numeric data type not like that. Okay, that is the difference. If in the decimal data type we are given 5 means we can give the 5 digits only, but here not that. Next data type is int data type. That full form is integer. We know integer, it has no decimal values. Okay, the integer part only we are using. It is used to represent the number without a decimal number. Okay. Next data type is small int. It is same as the integer data type, but we can give small numbers, few numbers only we can give in the small int data type. Next data type is float data type. It represents the floating point number. That means exponential notation. We are giving that 25 into 10 power 3. Like that. This is the exponential notation. We have to represent the numbers in exponential notation. We are using the float data type. Okay, then it can the precision up to 64. Okay, how many digit we can give that? Maximum up to 64 digit we can use. Next data type is real data type. It is same as the float data type. Here in the real data type we are not mentioned the size, number size we are not mentioned, but precision is up to the 64, same as the float data type. This is the real data. Next data type is double data type. It is same as the real, but one difference is in the real data type have the maximum precision value 64, but in the double we can exceed the 64. The precision value we can exceed the 64. Okay, that's the double data type.